ano na po nangyayari sa impeachment complaints? Ano nakatenda pa rin sa section sa
Yeah, it's still with me, but we have to act on it this week.
Sir,
We will act on it this week.
sir, ilang self-imposed deadline na po kasi yung
Well, itong week na to yung deadline.
Sir, pero possible pa po ba?
Official at kabatasan para po siguradong aksyonan ito.
No, we will act on it this week.
Buhay pa ba yung 4 impeachment complaint na sinasabi?
As of now, wala pa eh. So, yun na, I think we have given them enough time. So, we will have to transmit the impeachment complaints within this week.
So, they say na there in the water na talaga yung impeachment complaint ngayong 19th Congress? They say na there in the water na po ito, impeachment.
Hindi naman eh, kasi nga anytime, 1/3 of the members can endorse it, can sign a complaint in my presence, and then diretso yun sa Senate. Hindi na dadaan sa Committee on Justice.
Sabi ni Sir, wala po kayo naririnig sa court impeachment.
Wala pa kaming natatanggap na court complaint or additional endorsers of the 3 complaints.
Yun na nga, sir, so patay na.
Hindi naman.
Break na sa first half.
Ang kanta nga habang may buhay.
Sir, sabi ng mga bayan, binubola nyo na lang po sila na may fourth impeachment complaint. Eh, kung wala naman talaga, ba't hindi nyo pa po gawin na ito?
Hindi, meron talagang nagbabalak. Pero up to now, wala pa. So, we will have to act on it.
So, kayo nagbabalak. Kailan po sila muling nagkipag-usap sa inyo?
Hindi, yung kasi, yung inisip nila, yung fast track. Yung fast track para the process will just require their signature of the complaint and then immediately transmittable to the Senate. Yun.
Is that still possible at this point?
Yes, anything is possible.
Matagal na